Hey, I'm Fish. I'm shooting today with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I have also set up is the mic air. I'm going to put it inside my shirt so this way you don't hear the clicking of the glasses hitting it. Did you pass this up? That's a quarter. That's enough to get you a piece of bazooka bubble gum. I fixed my mirror. Yes, indeed. I glued it, and I also put some heat on it. I think I gotta glue my handle a little bit more. It's coming off at the top. I want to turn around and capture the sunrise as we bike around as well. I don't think I want to sit down. I want to get on going. Maybe I'll go to my spot. I think I'll do that. Let me high five you. I got the doors on. I could go on there, have some fun in the water. It's a nice waterfall. Yeah, it's called the fountain. So let's get on going. Get to that spot. I'm at my spot. Oh yeah. Days are coming. It's gonna be about 100. Perfect camera temperature weather day. That'll give the ultimate test to see if this camera, as well as other cameras, will hold up to the heat. Yeah, I like my helmet. Now, let me tell you what I can do. Stop. Yeah, I told it to stop. Now, it goes back to that, which I'm happy. I like this helmet. It comes in a number of colors. Maybe, nighttime, this is great white. Gray will keep a lot less dirty. Well, not dirty. Did a good job. They just had a couple of updates to the application. What was updated? We don't know. So not all companies will inform you about what gets updated. How much can you do with LEDs? And one of the things with the LEDs I got on my bike is the backlight. And that backlight, let me tell you, I haven't charged it since the day I got it for review. It's probably one of the best bike lights that I got so far, for the tail light that is. It's got a number of modes to set it up, and when I stop, it warns you. It says stop in red, and I'm happy with it as well. Some things make me real happy, and some things don't work the best. And you know that song from Thompson Twins, Promises, Promises? Yeah. I don't think my head's getting cut off. I see this right here. Well, you know what? I said too much. Well, it's time for me to get on out of here, get on going, put my helmet on, and go some more bike riding. Come along, follow along. Here's that bike light. As soon as I move, it's supposed to go on. And there it goes, and it stopped. How nice is that, man? I like this, but it don't have two colors like this one here. As you can see the difference in the colors. That's what I would like. I like on the fifth one here, right there. Oh, the breeze, the cool air, and the lower temperature over here. It's awesome. I'm gonna go down to the end and capture the sun already up. We're at the beach's end. And we got a sunrise. I think I'm going to snap a shot. Well, I snapped a shot and somewhere down the road I lost my handle. The plastic. I got all the glue that I glued on that don't hold. I think I know where it fell out at. Go back to the tree. Before I go back to the tree, let me pick it up. I'm stuck on my bicycle. There I am. Let me re-glue it. Let me get on out of here before the bus doesn't allow me. Well, I said what I had to say, show what I had to show, share what I had to share. It's time for me to go meet up with Joe and take care of some beeswax. Once again, I am Fish, and I'll see you on the next one. Maybe I'll see you this at high noon.